guys, one of the many reasons I love making my hair in this particular ghetto salon. Good morning, everybody. Nice work. All right. Thank you. Okay. No. Mama. Seeing is believing. I want you guys to see with your eye how this hair is going to come out perfect. This one now points now. Donuts. I mean, like 30 seconds. Hi guys, it's your girl, African village girl, Jojo Barnett, and I would like to welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, guys, your girl, your village girl is on the ghetto making her hair. So guys, we don't start the hair. Oh, now watch you. Now go see the hair now, how it go come out perfectly well. This madam, why you tie your face like this? What is your name? Mary. Mary, how are you? What I am the video open shop. Yes.
Can't be too much for that. I don't understand what happened there.
Okay, you never hear news.
I said they come from that other junction. I see police.
Wow, final look. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this great channel, please guys, do me a favor. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video. Leave a comment. Let me know your suggestion on the comment section, guys. Thank you guys. You guys are the best, and the returning subscribers, you guys are the best, and I appreciate every one of you for always coming back to watch my video. Love you all. This is my hairstylist. She did it. She made it happen. Guys, before I leave, I must compliment my hairstylist. So she did it. She did it. And I must compliment her before leaving this place. Thank you so much for being the best stylist in the whole world. Thank you. Yeah, so you're so talented, a great hairstylist, and keep it up. I wish you all the best. Guys, look at her here. If you want to have this kind of best look, just hit me up on the comment section and I'll direct you how to get to her. Okay. Especially for those that live in Abuja. Here, she's in Abuja. So even if you want a home service in so you can hear from the horse's mouth. So just tell them now, anybody that wants a home service. Now. So she says she's there for home service. If you are ready, she's always available for home service. It only costs you extra money and you don't have to break a bank to look good. Alright guys, we're done here. So I'm heading back to my location now. Thank you guys for watching. Okay. No. So guys, I'm going back home. So I'm going to get a car at the express. It's time to call it. It is getting late. I'm looking so exhausted already. So I'm going home now. Madam. Thank you. Thank you. This is your car, man. This one, how much did you sell them? Which one be 250? Let me see. This strong corner. I don't like strong corner. I don't like strong corner. This small one, how much?
200.
I don't know. This one 100 naira now.
No, this 100 is 200.
This one how much? You know, sir, they buy corn from you steady.
You can't get whatever.
Sell for me. This one, sell for me. This one, why give you this one 150? It's soft. I want soft corn. So guys, a quick stop to grab fresh. This is freshly cultivated from the farm. Fresh corn. I'm supposed to get. Might give you the phone. If I'll give me nylon. Thank you. I'm so hungry. Life. What? I said video.
Okay.
Mama, I want you. Oh, correct. Well, I know you're out. So, guys, we're in the ghetto. We just running. Now your baby be this.
No.
Where you go? Then go Lagos. You don't big go. I didn't want so big. Now they teach you.